In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a title on LinkedIn. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive into the steps. The first thing you want to do is go to your profile. To do this, simply locate the Me icon at the top of your LinkedIn homepage. It's typically represented by your profile picture or your initials. Once you've found it, click on that icon and select View Profile from the drop-down menu. This will take you directly to your personal profile page where you can manage all your information. Next, you want to enter Edit Mode. Look for the pencil icon, which is the edit icon located in the Introduction section of your profile. This is where you can update various details, including your headline. Clicking this pencil icon will open an Edit Intro pop-up that allows you to make changes to your profile. Now it's time to update your headline. In the Edit pop-up that has appeared, scroll down until you find the Headline field. This is the section where you can showcase your professional identity. Your headline can be your current job title or even a title that reflects your career aspirations. Make sure it's concise, yet descriptive enough to convey your professional focus. Once you've entered your current job title or the desired position, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button at the bottom of the pop-up window. Clicking this will ensure that your new title is updated on your LinkedIn profile, making it visible to connections, potential employers, and anyone who views your profile. And that's it. You've successfully added a title on LinkedIn. This small change can make a big difference in how you present yourself professionally. Your headline is often one of the first things visitors see, so take your time to ensure it accurately reflects who you are in your career. If there's anything else you'd like to learn about LinkedIn or other professional networking tips, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial made it easy for you to update your profile title on LinkedIn.